We all know the very basic of a circle, that if we take any circle and take its circumference divided with its diameter, we will be always getting a constant value, which is what we call it as pi. So circumference by diameter is equal to always pi, no matter what is the size of the circle. And next, from this only we are getting the circumference of the circle to be equal to 2 pi r. And along with this, in our school days itself, we must have studied another formula, that area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Now in this session, we are going to see an interesting proof for this area formula only. We very well know the area of a rectangle, which is length into breadth, but here we need to find what is the area of the circle. If we try little, we will be able to reshape this circle as a rectangle, and then we can easily find the area of the circle itself. For that, we are going to make some small adjustments. Let's do it carefully. See, take this circle. We are just going to cut this circle into pieces. I'm just going to cut this circle along the radius. Okay. Let's say I have broken that entire circle into 100 pieces. Okay. Say just an example, 100 pieces. And what we are going to do next is, we are going to just equally divide the 100 pieces into two equal parts. 50 pieces and 50 pieces. Like that we'll segregate it. And we will take 50 pieces, the first 50 pieces, and arrange it like this, like looking upwards. Okay, so the first 50 pieces are arranged in this manner, and we will take the other 50 pieces and we will just arrange it like down facing. Okay, like I'm just going to place them inverted. Okay, so we are just going to fill the gaps formed there, and we are going to place the other 50 pieces looking downwards. Now if we see, after arranging like this, we will be able to observe that we are more or less got a rectangle kind of shape. Okay, now we will have to find what is the length and breadth of this rectangle. First we will see the breadth. It is very easy for us to observe that the radius of the circle is what is coming as the breadth of this rectangle. So breadth of this rectangle will be nothing but r. Is it clear? And next, now we will come to the length of this rectangle. For that, we will just look at the circumference of the circle. Circumference is 2 pi r, right? Now if we see this outer borders, these outer borders are what is forming these two lengths of this rectangle. So if I clearly see, the 100 pieces totally what we had is what is divided into two equal parts, 50 pieces and 50 pieces, and it means this 2 pi r is what is equally divided into two parts. So if I divide 2 pi r by 2, we will be getting pi r. That means this side, this one length will be 1 pi r and the other length will be another pi r, and hence we got that the sides of, the lengths and breadths of this rectangle will be pi r and r. Now if we see this rectangle, it is more or less only looking like a rectangle. We are not getting an accurate form of rectangle, right? So for that, what we can do is, we can accurately do this process by making this circle into more number of pieces, even more number of pieces. Like for an example, we took here 100 pieces, right? If I divide into 1000 pieces or 10,000 or 1 lakh or 1 crore pieces, then what will happen is, we will be even more forming an accurate rectangle, where that rectangle will also have sides, length as pi r, and its breadth will be r. Now finally we have reshaped this circle into a fine shaped rectangle. Now we can very well find the area of this rectangle. Area of this rectangle will be, length is pi r and breadth is r, and hence area will be pi r square, and this is how we are getting the area of circle to be pi r square. I hope you are able to understand the area of the circle proof through this session, and for more math concepts like this and shortcuts like this, kindly subscribe to my channel VAAGAI Math Coaching, and also share to your friends. Again, with some interesting concept, we'll catch up in the next session. See you there. Thank you so much.